Today I am going to review this wonderful product which I bought from Amazon. I was looking for cost effective and a handy vacuum cleaner for long. This is the manual, a small attachment, big attachment, attachment for carpet, big attachment for carpet, a small nozzle, expandable pipes. This is keeping aside. You can use this to clear your track, window tracks, a belt. Then we have a small nozzle to clear your keyboards, etc. Expandable pipe, which is not as good as I assume. And this is the vacuum cleaner, 1000 watt and very handy to use. This is blow dryer, very long cord. Let's see how this attachment works. Expandable pipe. There are two expandable pipes. This is back cover for blow dryer. This is blow dryer cover. Expandable nozzle. You can use that nozzle here in this or this way, which directly goes here, and you can use it. Very handy. This is the belt, but it's not in a good quality. I'll not recommend to use. Carpet brush, another carpet brush for big one. Flexi pipe. This is the actual product we have inside, and this I'm using it for more than a month. It has a really long cord which is very useful while we vacuum or we use this vacuum. It has small section over here where we can use our attachments like this, and one more section is here. This we can use as a blow dryer. If we attach this also, we can use it like this. We can also blow balloon with this. I am purposely keeping this noise on so that you will get clear idea how this sounds. It has really strong suction and powerful motor with it. I also used it as a wet vacuum cleaner and it works. How to open this vacuum cleaner? There is a small button over here. Press that and it will open. Pull this towards you. There is all dust inside. This is the filter, which is washable, and you can use it many more times again and again. So